system that will earn you 2,000 dirhams per day. Would you like that?
Yes.
Do you want to earn 2,000 per day?
Yes.
Okay, this is called the system. We are showing you a good system that you can earn income and you will earn 2,000 to 2,400 per day. How? With our 6 ways to earn. In your employment right now, you are earning one-way income, right? There's what we call 2 laws. What is? First law, law of singleness. Law of singleness is your income coming from one source, your employment. Okay? Now, the law of leverage is the income coming from your income from different sources. Rich people, they become rich. They become more rich because they have many different ways of earning income. See, Lulu store, they have a shopping store. And then this owner, they also have real estate. This owner, they also have different businesses. That means they have different source of income, right? So that is what we call the law of leverage. That is, you multiply yourself with the time of other people so that you can earn income, both of you will earn income, both of you will be happy.